Hi everyone, happy Friday. I'm sure you're out having a good time. At least I know my husband is. He's always drinking on Fridays. It's hard to get a hold of him. But I decided to spend some time at home today. I had a dinner that got canceled, but I think everything happens for a reason. I need to spend more time with my kids. I think that's what the signs are saying. But before I do go spend some time with them, I thought I'd talk about hair. I not only got this amazing haircut by Nelson. First of all, for those of you who knew about Nelson and have been going to him for many years, the fact that you didn't tell me about him, I'm not happy with you. Sharing is caring, everyone. So I'm telling everyone else now that he's an amazing hairdresser for men and women. The way he textured my hair, I love it. I love the shape of it. And he's the most friendliest guy ever. Sect Studios on Sherburne Street. Please go to him. But speaking of hair, today's a big, big, big day at Neora. Everyone has been super excited for this day to come. They've talked about this new hair product for over a year now since our conference in Vegas, and it's finally available for a limited amount of time. So they're pre-launching it for people to test it out, but the official launch is not until the spring of 2020. So you have to stock up today. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. The way people are talking about it, some of the results that we've seen so far, and just knowing what it's doing for your hair, you're gonna want this. I already ordered 6 sets for myself, and I think I need to buy more because I need to think about Christmas, right? My mom's gonna need it, my brothers. I have so many people who are gonna want this product. And why are you gonna want it? Like all of our other products, it delivers results. So real results backed by real science. I don't read the science, but I know the doctors do, and I trust them. And it does exactly what it says it's going to do, and it's multifunctional, guys. This set of products is going to work for everybody, whether you're a man or woman, whatever age you are, whatever hair type you have, whether it's thin, thick, dry, lack of hair, thinning hair, damaged hair, colored hair. It's going to address all hair concerns and adapt to your hair concerns and needs and repair your hair individually. So it's like AI or machine learning for your hair. I talk about AI and machine learning at work, so I thought I'd apply it to this. So I'm super excited about it. What people are raving about it. We have a hairdresser on our team. He's been a hairdresser for 41 years. She's tried every product. I thought I've tried every product, and I am a product whore, but she's been tried every product and said this is the best she's ever tried. She's tried it on her clients. They all want it. We've seen hair, like, for me personally, when I wash my hair, because I've bleached it so much, it tangles up even with a lot of conditioner in it. Oh my God, it's so hard to comb out. So apparently it's gonna like comb out so easily. I also, if I don't wash my hair, it gets really greasy and oily and heavy. So apparently that goes away because it actually takes all that out of your hair, and I don't have to use all that dry shampoo or product that I have. And hair growth, everyone. I know there's a lot of you out there. I have thinning hair. It always comes out. I know some men and women out there who have receding hair or whatever the case may be. Trust me, if you give this product time, you use it consistently, I promise you it will work. So it comes with a shampoo, conditioner that you use daily or however regularly you wash your hair. It has a hair mask that you use once a week. It'll feel amazing after each hair mask, and that will actually add to repairing your hair over time. And it comes with a hair serum for your scalp treatment that you use on a daily basis. This is what actually fixes the roots of your hair. So just like the plants or a tree, I've become a huge plant person, guys. I thought I have a green thumb. It's really hard. It's a lot of work. But if you repair the roots of the trees or your plants, it will blossom. It will reward you with the fruits. The same as with your head, guys. If you repair the roots of your hair, it will actually become the hair it's supposed to. It will grow out the way it's supposed to. It will retain the color that it's supposed to be. This sounds too good to be true, but I promise you, we do not release results until we know it works. So message me ASAP. It's available for a limited time. I promise you it will sell out because everyone is going crazy over it. Let me know if you're interested. Give me a call.